Hello, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3. In this video I'll show you how to set up this smartphone. The smartphone is currently fresh after factory reset. Follow me in the setup process. Firstly, we've got the hello screen, thanks to which we can change language of the smartphone. We can use emergency call and we can manage accessibility. Tap button in the middle to proceed. Next, you can connect to mobile network via SIM card or eSIM. Also, you can skip it. In the next process, we can set up using another device. In order to do it, select Android or iPhone or iPad device. Thanks to this feature, you can quickly copy files from another device. Now, connect to network or set up offline. Now you have to wait. And now you can sign into your Google account or skip. Set up PIN or password or also skip. You can change lock screen method to pattern, password and PIN. Now, accept Google services, choose your browser and search engine, select default apps, continue. Now you can download and install any updates, if available, and then setup of your smartphone is finished. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.